Alright guys, today we're going to try something a little different. I saw this one on TikTok, so we're going to give it a try. We're going to make Kraft Dinner, but apparently we've been making it wrong our entire lives. So we're going to start with a cold pot. No heat, nothing. All you're going to do, you're going to take your Kraft Dinner. This recipe is for 2 boxes. So you take the 2 boxes, dump the cold macaroni in there. Still no heat. Then it says, grab every little bit. Then grab your water, and you just want to fill this water just to cover up the Kraft Dinner. Just so the noodles are covered up. There we go. Just like so. That only took like not even a full cup. This recipe is apparently you're not even going to strain the water or nothing. So next, and this is going to sound really weird, you're going to add the cheese sauces to it. Again, we still don't have any heat going here. So let's just add in our cheese sauce. Both packages. We are making 2 boxes here. Again, this sounds really weird. Next, you're going to add 2 globs of butter. It says 2 tablespoons, but who's measuring? So, 1, 2. Looks good. And you're just going to stir this all around. Still no heat, as you can tell. Once this is all stirred around, and if you feel that you do need to add a little bit more water, that's fine. Then you're also going to add in some cracked pepper and some cracked salt. Pepper. If you don't like pepper and salt, you don't have to add it, but just something that they do say. Good enough. And now they say go ahead and turn on the heat. Give this another stir. Now you're going to continue to stir this while it comes up to temperature. And it's going to boil itself down and everything. When it is boiled and the noodles are kind of where you want them, and it's boiled itself down, we're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream and some real cheese, and we'll see how this turns out. And this is kind of what you're looking for. So you got the heat on now. So it says you're going to want to continue to stir so that nothing burns, nothing sticks. And yeah, that's what I mean by just enough water to cover the macaroni. And yeah, just continue to stir. It should take, they say, anywhere between 5 to 8 minutes, so we'll continue to stir this. I got this on like medium-high heat. Bring it to a boil, and yeah, just continue to stir. As you can see, it's already starting to thicken up a little bit. I did have to reduce down the heat. You don't want it to burn. Just continue stirring until the noodles are al dente. As you can see, it's definitely starting to thicken up. I don't want it to stick. It's starting to look good. So I did end up having to add just a little bit more water. And there we go. Look at how creamy that already is. That's not your average Kraft Dinner right there. Now that we are cooked, the noodles are right where I like them. You can take a handful of regular old sharp cheddar cheese. Put that in there. Good enough. Then a little splasher of heavy cream, just to make it even more creamy. And there we go. Stir it in. And there you guys go, got yourself Kraft Dinner. Like I said, we've been making it wrong the entire time, so now let's give this a try. I've gone ahead and taken it off the heat. It's cooked right where I want it, so let's plate up a bowl here of it. Just look at how creamy that looks. And the ultimate taste. Oh my God. Yeah, we've been making Kraft Dinner wrong the entire time. Give this a try. It's so worth it. If you do have to add more water, which I did, like I said, it was just soaking it up too quickly. So you will have to maybe add a little bit more water than what I'd said in the original. But seriously, guys, give this one a try. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember, like, follow, subscribe. And if you want to see more of this content, let me know. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time.